You may be thinking of becoming a voiceover artist. You may already have made some progress towards it. You may have started auditioning or trying to understand how things work. Let me tell you a very important thing. If you do not understand how the following 6 effects work, you cannot make good progress towards it. Have you seen any voiceover artist who does not know about these effects? From YouTube or from real life? You may not need to apply all these effects to your every voice recording. But you must understand what each effect does. You must understand how to apply these effects properly in a recording. Just opening these effects from the menu will not do the trick. You must understand how these effects are affecting your recording. It does not matter which audio editing software you are using. It may be Audacity or Adobe Audition, or any other software. You must have to know the basics of good audio recording and editing. There are many ways to learn it. You can watch some YouTube videos and practice. You can take some beginner-level courses and, more importantly, complete those. I have built such a course, but that is not the only course available out there. If you do not like my course, you can take a similar course from other people. You can hire a coach to teach you these technical things. Whatever it takes, make an effort to learn those. When I coach other people for Audacity, I see it as one of the reasons for their slow progress in voiceover career.